Yo, what's up? It's your boy. Alright, we're on the Bitcoin course. Bro, this is madness. I want you guys to really understand this. I'm not getting in position, right? I was getting front run over here, and that's not a problem, but what you guys don't need to do right now is do stupid things, right? Keep to your strategy. I don't know what your strategy is, but don't go market or do whatever with the FOMO, right? If you don't see a setup, don't play it because if you were on the daily right now and look, it's very simple right now. You don't need to do anything right now because the price you don't know where it's gonna stop. You can go aggressive longs, but why? The risk is so high of now maybe rejecting, maybe going up. You don't know. To, at least that's my opinion. So what I always try to do with this type of price action is I need to get used to this too. I'm trading now for over 1.5 years, and normally I would go crazy with this. This is my first bull run, but what I really learned is get don't get greedy. Don't do stupid things because the price can go anyway. And what I mean by that is, okay, we're on the daily, right? And you see these big candles. You see a little bit the momentum is slowing off a little bit. And for me, all right, normally people are gonna watch here, maybe take the long right here, maybe go do whatever. You just don't know because on lower time frame, I can already tell there's so many positions right here, and I don't like this. I don't like playing either of those. Yeah, maybe then the last one because you always have liquidity and that is pumping it out. What I mean right now is the point that we're rejecting. I don't know what we're rejecting. Yeah, we're rejecting this stuff. You know, we're rejecting this area right here. It's a clean area, but maybe we're gonna go here, right? So for me right now, taking along is so I don't know. Maybe this is the ceiling. Maybe we're gonna lose on lower time frame. So right, the current range on high time frame is this. Right, but this is the range. This is the top we're rejecting right now. We're trying to break it through. The point I'm trying to make is if you this is your range right now. Alright, you gained it already. But what's the top? You're rejecting something on the left side. Maybe, perhaps. For me now to take a look, it's so risky because what's the end? Maybe we're gonna drop down here. I don't know what we're doing. I want I want range forming. The top we're rejecting, but this is nothing. This is already tested out. Everything. There's nothing here anymore. There's nothing here anymore. There's no sellers right here. So where are the sellers then? The sellers are probably a little bit more up. Everybody is buyers right now. But right now, it's in the 15 minutes. Right? What people are gonna do is they're gonna go long right here. But why are you going long right here? You don't know what you don't know what your RR is. You don't know what your risk reward is. You don't know where your take profit is gonna be. You can put the take profit there, but you don't know that the price is gonna go there. What you want to do with this type of pricing is do nothing. And I mean just nothing, just watch the price because maybe just maybe we're in the top of the range. So shorts are here in my opinion the most profitable, right? But I'm not looking for shorts right now because we're bullish, right? We're bullish. The shorts are no. I'm not looking for a short. Maybe if you lose this point right here, you lose this and you take it in price and then go back. This is my R because maybe there's something on the low time frame that's open right here, so I can take that. That's for me a take profit. Maybe here a take profit. This is an open area. That's a take profit as well. So that's for me already the plan. But for now, the only thing that I'm really the only thing that can happen that is for me that I'm gonna take the long is if you do this pop pop. That's the only reason I want to take the long. But for now, you don't need to do anything. Just wait for the gain. Let's say we're rejecting this, right? You don't You found some liquidity. The price is going down, but as you can see, we're pulling green. There's somebody longs right here. We don't push it through right away, but if we do this, then you can. That's the confirmation you can take the long. But now you don't go long here. You get this, bro. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say you want to go here long, right? This is your long. Let's say your stop is right here and your target is there. All right. There's a 2.5 risk reward. That's not too shabby, but this is nothing you can. This is not something you can test. This is liquidity. There's not a level to test right here. Yeah, maybe a bigger resistance level, but this is not. You cannot base your take profit on just liquidity wick. No. This is more likely your take profit, and that's a 1.29. Bro, that's you get what I mean. You don't take your longs right here. Maybe if you are a scalper, and I've done this previous time, and I've discussed it with a couple of boys as well. I agree with them also, but what they are saying is, yeah, we're bullish. Why are you looking for longs? I can trade the longs and short always. Right? You can trade always. Maybe it's not going to be a runner. I know. I get it. The longs are in more of... the longs are in... How do you say that? The longs are in the favorite right now. But this... Right? This impulse has brought you to your top. You're rejecting that. If you lose this clean on the 15 minutes... well, let's say if we go to the 15 minutes, this is the point you want to lose. You found some. Let me hold up. People bought here, but the price didn't stick there. Well, the price didn't go there. If we go down again, that's for me already a sign for okay, we are not having enough volume for enough money, or enough long buyers to keep this spot. So for me, that's a reason. If you lose this on the 15 minute, that's just my strategy. I can pick up the short. It's risky though. It's risky, but I like it because we're in the top of the range, right? Where shorts are invest in profit. So if we lose this, I'm playing a short. I know I'm a little more aggressive with my entry. I'm a little more aggressive with my stop loss, and I'm a little more aggressive with my take profits, right? If this is my R, it's an R of 2. That's fine by me. Let's say this is your take profit then. If you lose this, go there. You don't know where the play is. Probably it's something a little along this way. You don't know the play still needs to be going. We don't know if we're going down, but then there's a spot that's going to be open. That spot needs to be filled. Orders will be filled up there, and then I will play that. This is already an R of 3, right? I will be very aggressive with my take profits. Maybe take a take profit right here. Maybe take a take profit right here, right? This on the other side. I'm very aggressive and aware with that it's not going to be a runner. Also, what I do watch is go back to the high time frame. What is the high-low play? What is the continuous play? Let's say, well, this is a beautiful test back, right? You gain the range, test back on the impulse that brought you up. All right, for me, that's a sign. That's a take profit. For me, that's a take profit. Maybe if we go down, you see it's this beautiful area. It's not right there, it's there. So what you also can do is put the volume profile on it. Well, I know I have a little bit experience. I know there's a lot of volume right here. I know there's a lot of volume right here, and I know there's a lot of volume right here. That's not a... You're gonna see volume when you're trading a lot. What I also like to watch is where's the volume, and there I'm gonna base my take profits too. Like this one for sure. You see here the big scalp. Boom. That's maybe another take profit. You see here it's point of control. Don't always watch the point of control. I like this. The volume is there. I'm putting it a little bit in front. That's your take profit. You already got 3 take profits. Well, I would skip this, and I would just take this one and that, and then you're done. Your trade is successful. Don't get me wrong. If your order is getting filled right here, and you're hitting your first take profit, I'm taking my stop loss right away to my entry right away, because I'm biased as well. I think we're gonna go up, but I'm just trading the waves, and I'm trading what I see in terms of price action. So don't be afraid to take the short also when you think the price is going up. You're trader, you're day trader, and you're trading on price action. So you just want to see what's the price doing. You gotta read it like a book. Like, if you're losing something, that means the short is available. If you're gaining something, the long is available. It's not more, not less. You just need to watch what the screen is telling you, what the charts is telling you, and then you... Everybody can say, oh yeah, but I think we're gonna hit the 44k, right? Yeah, no shit, Sherlock, I think that too. But the price, the price action, the charts is not saying we're gaining at the moment. So, I hope you guys understand what I mean. Is don't be afraid to take shorts when the price is going up. Don't take longs when you're at top of the range. Don't even try it. Wait it out right here on the other side. Maybe you found some support here. Maybe we're going down anyway. Maybe we're going to test this little area right here. You don't know. The only thing what you now can do, in my opinion, is mark the levels, mark potential support levels, and watch what the price is going to do. You're not gonna get longs right here. You don't want to do that. Just wait and see. For me, right now, doing this, I don't know. Doing this, no, I'm not taking these kind of trades. What I do, maybe we'll do this, and we do this, and then we pop. That's my entry. Oh, I see now you don't see that. Let me hold up. Well, that's your trade then, right? If you're gaining something again, test back, boom. That's for me a sign, okay, we're going up again. Bro, it's boys, it's not that hard though. Yeah, it's maybe hard when you're starting out. It was hard for me too. Don't get me wrong, trading is super hard. But just do it like this, like I'm doing. Just make a presentation for yourself. Call it out loud. Call what you do out loud on the chart. You don't have to need a camera. I'm just filming this because I like this. But just open the chart, and when you first start with the daily, weekly, I don't know what your strategy is. Do whatever you want to do anyway, but talk out loud, because you're making it so much understandable for yourself. Your presentation against yourself. You're making the presentation against yourself. So like, why are you want to take that long? Read it out loud, man. Alright, because I see here on high low, I see here some resistance. I see, oh yeah, but if you lose this impulse, I take a shot. You got your whole plan for the day set, right? The only thing you need to do is set alarms, set alerts, set whatever you want to set, right? Just watch the screen. Go ahead and read a book or something. Go ahead and go playing video games. I don't know what you want to do. But if you read it out loud, you got your plan structured for the day. Bro, you got every situation scattered. I'm always looking for longs. I'm always looking for shorts. What this, what that. If we're going to do this, if we're going to do that. Projecting there, finding support there. Bro, don't only think on going up. Think in every fucking situation. Because we don't know what's going to happen. Maybe some fucking FTX guy or some fucking big guy is gonna sell Bitcoin and he spreads some shit news and the price is going down. Maybe the markets, maybe the market in your country is going to open, right? The stock market. Boom, we're gonna get a setback. You just don't know. You can't guarantee what the price is going to do. So, for me, this lesson, I want you to guys get you. The first thing you're gonna do when you're gonna analyze the next day is you're gonna read it out loud. Find some place, quiet place that you can read it out loud. It's gonna be tough and weird the first time, but believe me, you're gonna make big ass improvements with that. The second thing is find out where you are in the range. Don't get bullish. Don't get FOMO or something or different shit. Don't get greedy. Your time is gonna come. No trade without being out. You don't want to risk getting stopped out. So if you don't get stopped out, you don't take a trade, that's a win. Second is just wait on the right time. Always look for every possibility. Long, short, whatever, right? In your presentation, all right, if we do this, we're going to do that. If we're going to go there, we're going to do that. If we're going to find support here, I'm going to do this. If we find resistance here, I'm going to do this. Structure yourself. This is the range right now. You see the range on the screen. Find out every possibility that can happen, all right? Let me make sure in the comments if you learned something from this. Let me know how you guys are doing, if you're already doing this. And yeah, let me know some tips you use that I can use and maybe try out for myself. And maybe you're just, yeah, for me too. Why would you take a long ride here? Let me know if you guys want to take a long ride here. Give me your, how do you say that? Give me your plan and why are you interested here in a long? Because I don't see it. But there's still people who's gonna take longs right here. So let me know if you're one of those guys. Let me know what I'm not seeing, what you are seeing. And yeah, maybe we can help each other out. All right, boys. Peace.